Chapter 8. Man in the Car Paradox. The truth about status and wealth. Why do we want expensive things? Have you ever seen someone driving a luxury car and thought, wow, they must be really successful? But here's a surprising truth. Most people admire the person in the luxury car. They admire the car itself. In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel explains the man in the car paradox. Powerful insight into why we chase status symbols and why they often bring us the respect or happiness we expect. Let's break it down. The illusion of status symbols many people buy expensive cars, designer clothes, and luxury items hoping to impress others. But what actually happens? People admire the possessions, not the owner. No one is thinking about you, they're thinking about themselves. True respect comes from character, not material things. Key insight. If you're buying things just to impress others, you're likely wasting money on things that don't actually bring happiness or status. Key takeaways. How to avoid the status trap when people care less about you than you. Think most people spend time thinking about your car, watch, or clothes. They're too focused on their own lives. Instead of buying things to impress others, focus on your own financial security and happiness. True wealth is quiet. Fake wealth is loud. The richest people often feel the need to show off. Warren Buffett drives an average car, wears simple clothes, and lives in the same house he bought decades ago. Meanwhile, many people who flaunt luxury items are actually deep in debt trying to look rich. Biggest lesson. Many people who look rich aren't. 3. Money should buy freedom, not approval. The ultimate goal of money isn't to look wealthy to gain financial freedom. Would you rather have a flashy car, but be drowning in debt? Have peace of mind, no financial stress, and the freedom to do what you love? Invest in things that actually matter instead of spending money on status symbols. Invest in things that improve your life. Financial security. Save and invest for long-term wealth. Experiences, travel, learning, spending time with loved ones. Health and personal growth. Your body and mind are your greatest assets. 5. Real respect comes from who you are. Not what you own. People remember how you treat them, not what you drive. Build relationships, develop skills, and create value in the world. That's what earns real respect. Final thought. Stop impressing. Start living at the end of the day. Spending money just to look rich is a losing game. True wealth isn't about possessions. It's about freedom, security, and happiness. What's more important to you, looking rich or being financially free? Let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more. If you found this helpful, forget to like this video to support the channel, subscribe for more insights on money, investing, and financial psychology. Share this with someone who needs to hear this.